the way. Miss Ruby, she dazzles, a fierce heart on display. Elegance unfolds as she shines so bright, a spark in her eyes, ready for the fight. Miss Emerald, with wisdom like a precious hue, strength in her soul, her spirit rings true. She dances through shadows, reminding us all, in the realm of beauty, we rise or we fall.
Miss Sapphire, oh, she glimmers with grace. A wave of compassion leaves a trace. Her laughter like sunlight, breaking the dawn. With every step forward, a new legend is born.
And there stands Miss Amethyst, calm yet divine, embodying balance, the stars align. Her journey's a saga, a tale yet untold, a legacy unfolds, just watch it behold. Drowning glory, hear the city roar. From the hands of the crowd, we're ready for more. Miss Diamond International, let the moment arrive. With sapphires and amethysts, we light up the sky. The moment arrives, the jewel of the night. Miss Diamond, shining, the beacon of light. With a legacy